Hey Joanne, my name is Sergio with Metro Design. In the screencast, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Encore Plumbing Contractors Incorporated. Now, Joe is the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you on how we work together to grow your clientele. Now, the first question with business owners is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Joanne, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have is with hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact the business for free has resulted in local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, and can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard, you can see the skills that will help your business grow and land more customers, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try it yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I'd like to go over is your content. So within your content, and in order for your business to be fully optimized to Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. Now I found your site has about 342 currently. In comparison to one of your competitors in Orlando, Florida, Maitland Winter Park Plumbing, they have about 580 words filled with keyword-rich content, and this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. Now every month people are searching for a certain keyword a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So as you can see, when I pull up your competitor in this tool called Ahrefs, you can see what his site's actually ranked for. He's ranking for 207 backlinks, 33 referring domains, 193 organic keywords, and that's bringing in a total of 235 traffic per month. So if I click on his keywords, oops, sorry, I got signed out. You can see what his site's actually ranking for in terms of keyword. So you can see most of his keywords are ranking him number one position, which is bringing in 53 people per month out of the 150 for this Maitland Winter Park Plumbing keyword. So volume is the amount of searches this keyword gets per month. KD is how hard it is to rank these keywords. And traffic is dependent on the position that you are in for each keyword in your content. So you want to stay between 0 and 7. This will get you the easiest optimized keywords. So you know how you rank against this guy. Pull up yours. You have 71 backlinks, 20 referring domains, and 200 organic keywords, which is bringing in 77 traffic. Now you're probably wondering why you have more keywords and more backlinks, but you're bringing in less traffic. Well, organic keywords is a big factor. So you remember how he was ranking for the first position, right? You're ranking for the second. And these keywords you are ranking are not bringing as much traffic because you're in the second position. Remember, 200 volume per month for this keyword, you should be ranking number one. That'll drive more traffic to your website. You're losing out on a lot of clients. You're not having these keywords in your content. No idea what goes into keywords and what they do for your content and volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, position. Moving on to the next optimization section is the second most important thing I want to talk about. We call this Google Map Pack or the maps. And on these results, you can see name, address, and phone number. Business's name, where the address, and their phone number. Now, you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, to answer your question, I'm going to pull up this tool or resource I like to use called WhatSpark, and inside the resource is a tool called Local Citation Finder. So I already did a search for your business, Encore Plumbing, Central Florida. You have 32 citation sources. Now, not all of which are going to be listed down here because some of those are not credible to Google for a credible citation. So we can see we want your citations double to what your local competition would be. So at least doubling this number would be beating out your competition by a landslide. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. So now you know what goes into a citation and what it does for your business. The third thing I'd like to cover with you is another important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So you see when I go back to the search for Plumbing Winter Park, Florida, and I scroll down past the map pack, you can see that Maitland Winter Park Plumbing is the first, and Roto Rooter is the second, and Frank Gay Services is the third. Now this is all on the first page, and this is where you want to be. When you get there, you need to be out to competition in every aspect. This link juice simply put it works like this. Site A is working with is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you were to have maitlandpark.com linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. So I'll pull up Ahrefs again. If you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month. It's great for checking out any link juice that sites may have to offer. So you can see here I have your competitors pulled up, and I click on their backlinks. So you can see that they have this much juice linking back to them. And going down, you can take all of these and make them your own. So pulling up yours, Encore, Plumping, you see that you have these many. So going back to your competitor, you can take all these that you do not have already and make them your own, and this will rank you above him in every aspect. So once again, we go over content, citations, and backlinks. Content, you want your front page to have at least 1,500 words to your home page, and 500 words for any service or back page you may offer. Any about us page or contact page, you want at least 250. That'll get you organically listed and optimized for Google. Now the second thing we went over is citations. You want at least 200 to 300 of these, and this will be out any competition in the area by a landslide. And the third thing that we went over was your link juice or backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you will be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 515-468-3039. Look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.